Well, Bennett Kessler filed this story, the anxious consideration of the word drought. Trumps most all other news in the Eastern Sierra, and no doubt it was talked about today at the Mammoth Mountain Ski Area Town of Mammoth Lakes Liaison Committee meeting. Now, CEO of Mammoth Mountain, Rusty Gregory, commented to Sierra Wave Media, quote, "It is always difficult to operate a ski resort with significantly less than normal snowfall, despite having much more terrain open than any other resort in California. Visits and revenue are trending 25% below expectations to date this season," end quote. Now, we hope to have a report from today's meeting on Wednesday's newscast. Well, earlier this month, Christina Bloom of Bishop competed in the Miss California Miss USA 2014 pageant and was awarded the title Miss Congeniality 2014. Now, Christina Bloom was born with the genetic condition of albinism and is legally blind. She was crowned Miss City of Bishop in 2012 and currently works as a visitor center host at the Bishop Area Chamber of Commerce and Visitors Bureau. Now, a press release from Micah Williams, who took these pictures, says that Christina is the first blind contestant to compete in the Miss California USA pageants and hopes to challenge others to be all they can be no matter what challenges they face. Said Christina, quote, "The Miss Congeniality Award is considered by some to be the greatest honor in pageantry because it is awarded by the votes of the contestants. The award goes to the most encouraging, inspirational, and overall most friendly girl in the group. It means the world to me because it shows that I was able to achieve my goal of encouraging those around me as we sought the crown together. My desire in running for Miss California USA was to show the world that true beauty lies in our uniqueness, not in our physical perfection. I also wish to represent the other side of California and share our unique spirit with the rest of the state," end quote. Christina also said that in the future, "I hope to continue my work in the Eastern Sierra's tourism industry, supporting small businesses and volunteering in the Bishop community as I have always done. Also hope to reach out to the albinism community and by starting a blog about life with this rare and beautiful condition," end quote. Well, obviously many congratulations going out to Bishop's own Christina Bloom for the Miss Congeniality Award, and we'll note that her younger brother Wesley is a regular on Pastors Roundtable Sunday mornings on Sierra Wave FM. Well, getting information that an adorable yellow Labrador Retriever guide dog puppy named Filbert becoming a familiar sight in Mammoth Lakes. Filbert recently joined the household of puppy raiser Lee Gosh as her third guide dog puppy. Raising Filbert is a special treat for Gosh, who also raised Filbert's mother, Jamin. And Jamin, as you might remember, was selected as a breeder by the Guide Dogs for the Blind last year and had her first litter of puppies in August 2013. Now, said Lee Gosh, Filbert is much like his mother. Both are loyal, eager to please, and full of love to give," end quote. Now, Falana, the second puppy Gosh raised, is currently in advanced training at the Guide Dogs for the Blind campus in San Rafael. I will note that there are two other guide dog puppies being raised in the Eastern Sierra. Mammoth local Ann Parks is raising yellow Labrador Retriever Javier, and Black Labrador Retriever Iger is being co-raised by two Bishop couples, Puppy Club leader Betsy Thompson and her husband Peter, and Nona and Marion Davis. Eastern Sierra Guide Dog Puppies meets monthly in Bishop, and the club members socialize their puppies on outings throughout the Eastern Sierra. If you would like to get some more information on this great organization, you can contact Betty Thompson at 760-920-8891 and check out the website guidedogs.com. We'll be back with weather and sports.